Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 20 masculine and feminine. So let's start. First one is author. Its feminine is authoress. Second is baron. Its feminine is baroness. Third one is count. Countess. Fourth is giant. Giantess. Fifth is heir. Heiress. Sixth one is host. Hostess. 7 is Jew. Jewess. 8 is lion. Lioness. 9 manager. Manageress. 10 mayor. Mayoress. 11 patron. Patroness. 12 peer. Peeress. 13 poet. Poetess. 14 priest. Priestess. 15 prophet. Prophetess. 16 shepherd. Shepherdess. 17 steward. Stewardess. 18 tailor. Tailoress. 19 actor. Actress. And the last one is director. Directress. Thanks for watching.